Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. What I want to do inside this video is reveal to you a brand new social media software that I've been personally using to generate endless leads and sales on a simple Facebook profile. Okay, now if you've tried to promote on Facebook, maybe an affiliate marketing product, maybe a network marketing business, or you've thought about promoting, maybe you don't have a lot of money to do paid advertising and you just want to make money, just posting on your Facebook profile. What I'm going to share with you is a new tool that will automate all the tedious tasks, these income producing activities that you have to do anyway. This tool now finally automates all of these tasks, and it's in one powerful suite. Okay, so I'm on my Facebook profile right now. What I want to share with you is some of the income producing tasks that I personally do on a daily basis, and then how this tool actually automates this for me. Okay, and if you're interested at any point to check out more information on this tool, like I said, it's brand new at the time of recording this. There's currently 6 different plugins on Google Chrome, on the browser, that's all included in one. If you want to find out more information, there's going to be a link underneath this video where you can check it out and you can go ahead and get access to this tool and start to dramatically increase the amount of leads and sales you're getting on Facebook. Okay, so I'm on my profile right here. Now, one of the very first things you need to do when it comes to Facebook marketing, when it comes to making money on Facebook, is to add new friends. Okay, so you've maybe heard that the money is in the list, right? So if you're not building a list, whether on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you're not going to be making the amount of money you truly want. So the first key is to add friends. Okay, so there's a couple places you can add friends on Facebook that I personally recommend. You can go to Facebook groups that are in the niche of the product that you're promoting. So if you're promoting a health and fitness product, maybe you went to clickbank.com, you found the product, you could go to a Facebook group in the health and fitness niche, right? Or if you're making money online, you can go to a Make Money Online group. But another way to find friends is if you actually go up here, okay, to the friends, you hit see all. Facebook is going to take you to this page. Now at the top, you can see your friend requests. Okay, these are people that have sent me friend requests. But if you go all the way down, Facebook is going to have people that you may know. Okay, these are recommended people. Now they're recommending because they're like your friends that you already have. So if you've already been building a Facebook a little bit, then the recommended section is a great place to add friends. So what you can do is go to the first plugin up here, the friend maker, okay? And you can actually put in how many seconds you want to wait before you add people on autopilot, and then how many requests per day. I recommend, 50 requests per day, and all the recommended settings are actually in the tool. Okay, when you purchase the tool, you get access actually to this amazing members area, and they have all the different plugins and then videos that you can actually watch, and then they have the recommended settings rather. Okay, so you just look at the recommended settings, you put those in, and then it even allows you to choose mutual friends. So see how it says, you maybe not be able to see that, but right here, like Owen, it says I have 110 mutual friends. Okay, so you can actually choose how many mutual friends do you want to add people. Like, do you want 50 and above? Maybe you want less mutual friends. You're trying to build friends for people that don't know you, so you could go lower. But I'm going to keep it at greater than 50. Okay, 50 friend requests in a day, and then 30 seconds per request. And then all I have to do is hit run. Now watch this, okay? If we just wait a couple seconds, it's going to start to find those people, and it's going to start to add them as friends. Okay, so I went ahead and scrolled back down to the people you may know, and what it's done is it's highlighted Beverly, okay? And you can see it's loading, right? So boom, it just automatically sent them a friend request, and then it went to the next person who has over 50 mutual friends, and it's going to just keep doing this, okay? So again, it's going to do it until 50 friend requests have happened. So you can set this up. You can go to, take a shower. You can hang out with your family. You can do whatever you want. And this is building you targeted leads, okay, friends on your Facebook profile. So another powerful feature of this software that I personally use when it comes to income producing activities is, once you add a new friend, it's a good idea to actually send them a welcome message, right? Welcoming them to your friends list, seeing, if you can help them in any way. So if you go up here to the Messenger connector plugin, and you go to the top three bars right there, you can go to recently added friends. Okay, now you can put in a message right here, and you can actually put in even a piece of code that will insert that person's first name. Okay, so for example, I could say, hey, first name, thanks so much for accepting my request. Just wanted to touch base. Tell me more about what you do online. Maybe we can help each other out. Okay, so that's a pretty good message actually. And you would, put the first name in there. So it's going to say, hey, John, hey, Mary. And then select friends to send message, added in 7 days, added in the last 2 weeks. Okay, 7 days is going to be good, especially if you're doing this on a daily basis. Don't send message. I've already sent a message. 2 weeks is good. Last 2 weeks, because it's going to look through, and if you haven't sent them a message in the last 2 weeks, it will send the person that message. Total messages limit. Again, the recommended settings are in the membership area of the tool. I'm going to do 20, and then average delay 120 seconds. Okay. And then I just hit start messaging. And what's going to happen is it will automatically, as you see on the screen, go through my new friends, and it's going to send those messages. Okay, again, this is absolutely amazing, because if you've done this before, if you've done Facebook marketing, you've maybe prospected people, you've had to manually message, this automates everything that you would have to do, okay, the tedious tasks. And I'll just wait till it's sent a message, it's scanning through, and then it's automatically pasting that message and sending it. Okay, you can see total message sent 0. Well, it's going to send in a second, and again, it's going to wait that amount of seconds. So every 2 minutes, it's going to safely send the message. And then again, you're adding new friends, you're messaging those new people, and then you're starting to get traffic and leads to your business. Okay, there you go. So you can see total message sent 1, and it's just going to keep going through and sending messages. Okay, let me cancel out of that for now. Another thing that I really love is called the feed engager. Okay, so what you have to realize is if you want more engagement on your posts, okay, I'm consistently generating, if I go to my last post, you can see right here, okay, 139 likes. Okay, so I'm consistently generating over 100, anywhere from like 60, I would say, to over 200 likes on my posts. Okay, depending on if you share an income result or a quote, it's going to dictate how many likes and comments you actually get. But I'm getting pretty good engagement. Okay, 139, if you can see that, right? So one of the keys to getting good engagement on Facebook is actually by engaging with other people. Because the fact of the matter is, if you engage with other people, it's going to induce reciprocity, and they're more likely to come back and engage with you. So what I love is this feed engager. What it does is you can choose, do you want to like, love, or wow people's posts? Okay, which means you actually clicking. So if I go here to a post, okay, if you hover over, you can like, love, or wow. Okay, so usually love is good. You can do like. So if you go to feed engager, you can choose, let's say, like, maximum number of posts to react, maximum number of posts to engage with. You can say 100, and then average delay 10 seconds is pretty good. Okay, and then you just hit start reacting. Now, as you'll see, it's going to start going through the feed, and it's going to start engaging with these people. Okay, and I'll share with you in a second once it starts doing this. Okay, and again, it's waiting about 10 seconds before each new thing. So it's mimicking a real person. That's the end of the day. So if you've ever used the tool before and maybe it stopped working, or you're kind of hesitant because you don't want your Facebook to get locked, or whatever the case may be, this software is designed, okay, and as you can see, it just engaged. So if we go down here, see, it liked it, okay? I had not liked this post. It just did, okay? And it's going to like this one next, okay? So it's working on autopilot. So it's mimicking a real person, right? So basically, it's going to go the right amount of time that it's as if you were actually doing the task. But again, you can set this up and do other things. It's saving you time. It's saving you tedious, repetitive monotony, right? Which I absolutely hate. I dedicated this channel to making money on autopilot, and this is just another way to automatically start generating, leads, sales, commissions on autopilot. Okay, so let me close out of there. There's a few more. Okay, friend remover. What this does is you can choose how many posts, how long ago do you want this tool to actually scan through, and it will find out which of your Facebook friends have never liked or commented on your posts in that amount of time. And then what the tool will automatically start doing is removing the inactive, unengaging friends. Okay, so essentially what the formula is you are going to be adding targeted people on autopilot, engaging with targeted people on autopilot, sending messages to those targeted people that add you as a friend, and then unremoving or removing rather the people that aren't engaging. Okay, so it's this synergistic cycle that will just consistently make you money. So the only task you would still have to do is posting on your feed, okay, posting on your wall. And it's really, really powerful. Okay, so there's going to be a link directly below. These are the main features I personally use in my own business. Just this alone, it's worth the price. The price right now is between, I think it's like $37 a month, or you can pay it all out at like $297 one time. You have lifetime access. Or I believe the early bird special is going to end soon, and then it will go up to $47 a month, or I believe $497 one time. Again, lifetime access over the updates and things like that. So you have different options to do it. Again, one, $47 month, let's say, or even one, if you invested the $497 one time for the lifetime access, one high ticket sale is going to completely pay for that. And with this tool, it's incredibly easy to start to do that. Okay, so I hope you got value. I wanted to do another review on this tool. I already did another video, but I wanted to share with you in action. If you're interested, go down below, get access to this, my friend. It's truly life-changing, and I really think you're going to like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.